Dear friends, do not buy aura scanner. It is simply a scam. It is a fraud. It is a cheating device for the persons who don't know how aura scanner works. How the best results are achieved through aura scanners. Believe me, 60 to 70% of persons who approach us for aura scanners, they already have something in the name of aura scanners and they are not getting any results. In India itself, if you search on the Google, you search on the internet, you will find persons selling some boxes in the name of aura scanner for 4,000 bucks, 5,000 bucks, 10,000 rupees, selling aura scanner, and then don't know even ABC of aura scanner. And if you are buying these aura scanners and using them, you also become the network of these fraudsters, scammers. You also become part of this scam. Because these persons even don't know even basic things about the aura scanner, how aura scanner works. They assemble something along with battery and something, and they say that this is aura scanner. This is not aura scanner. This is something related to the subtle energy, Sushma Urja, on which our Upanishads, our great scriptures have elaborated like anything. How the gross body is not the body, real body. This is not the real body. And unless and until you go through the whole segments of all the bodies, understand how these bodies work, subtle bodies work, you cannot create a aura scanner. You cannot create. And not only in India, a lot of Western countries had done deep researches about the aura, how to measure the aura, and they have also done independently research about these subtle energies, and these persons who are creating scam, fraud in the name of aura scan, they also are not convergent about the researches done in the Western countries. What to expect from these persons? When I was going through the books, especially published in the France about the aura, how to measure aura, how you can do a lot of things with the help of aura scanning, then I came to know I was scammed. And simultaneously, a lot of things has been done in India also. And the predecessor of these scanners were being used all over the world, even in Latin America, India, everywhere, especially for knowing the source of water. I saw the persons in Rajasthan itself, where the great desert is there, persons who were completely illiterate, having a wood piece in the shape of Y and moving here and there, and just where the water are present there, that Y-shaped wood will go down the and kick, strike on the earth, and you will find water at that place. That there is great tradition, but the persons who are selling plastic boxes and other metallic boxes in the name of Araskan, they don't know anything about these great traditions. And this is the reason that persons who are buying the cheap boxes or cheap instruments in the name of Araskan don't get any result. Don't get any result. And the persons you must have seen on the YouTube, the persons who are buying from us are getting great results. Senior IAS officers of India, great doctors, persons running coaching institutes, they are focusing on the specific lot of their students and how, on which subjects they should focus upon them, are buying and getting great results. Corporate honkos who are running great industries and they want to recruit best minds for their industries and they are using aura scanners bought by from us. Their HR heads are coming to us and being trained for using aura scanners so that they can recruit best brains, best minds for their industry. Nutritionists, botanists, because they want to create best breed of the plant. All of them are getting great results when they are buying aura scanners from us, because we have done great researches before manufacturing and selling aura scanners, and we have done deep researches. And this aura scanner, if it was able to do not only from our aura scanner, if any aura scanner can give results on its own, you might have hanged somewhere and have got best results. But this is without the help of cosmic energy. These aura scanners are simply hoax, simply scam, simply fraud, unless they are connected with the cosmic energy. And when if they are properly connected with the cosmic energy, they create wonders. And that is the reason we and our research team connected these aura scanners with our most potent energy in the body called Kundalini by our ancient scriptures. And very humbly, I want to claim that we are the only sellers of aura scanners who activate your subtle energy, your cosmic energy, your Kundalini when you buy from us. And that is the biggest secret why our aura scanners are giving best results and others are not. This is the biggest secret. And if someone who is selling aura scanner to you is unable to activate your Kundalini and you are buying and you are using, you are also becoming part of that scam, fraud, that the whole conspiracy for making money. Many persons come to us, sir, at least it will give the good impression. I can charge a lot of money for the Vaastu visit, even if it doesn't give results. Shame on them. You are not a Vaastu expert. You become a fraudster. You become a scamster. You are defaming, you are using this great science of Vaastu for making money, for cheating innocent people. And many a time these persons have come into their trap only. They went some haunted energy, haunted house, they haunted industry, or some persons haunted with negative energy, and since their aura scanner was not predicting anything, they came themselves into that trap. They became neurotic problem. They attracted neurotic problems, and then they came to us hard to do. Then I was helpless. Sometimes I cured them, sometimes I couldn't cure. Even neurological help, neurologist couldn't help them. So, if you are going to use aura scanner, please buy only if you are able to buy some authentic product. And if you cannot, do not buy. Because you will be part of that great conspiracy, great scam, great fraud, who are making money in the name of aura scanner, cheating innocent persons. So buy those aura scanners only if you'd like to feel like a cheat, fraudster or scamster. Otherwise, don't buy. Please don't buy aura scanner unless it is an authentic product. Namaskar. I'm Acharya Kalki Krishnan from AstroDevam.